welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be reviewing, swatching and trying out this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Illamasqua. On their website you will find this palette for £38 and the price in euros I will have to check later, but I will be having everything down below for you guys so you can check that out. So Illamasqua is one of my favorite makeup brand. They have the best quality in makeup. They're just my favorite, so today I'm having the chance to try this palette out and I'm very excited for that. And also I have a lipstick which I will be trying as well at the end of this video, so make sure you stick till the end. So now back to the palette. It comes like this in a black simple packaging, and here we have this beautiful palette. It's made out of cardboard and it has a beautiful filling and a very unique mauve color. It's so beautiful with silver letters. So when you open the palette you have of course a mirror and then the beautiful 12 eyeshadows with 3 different finishes in matte, metallic and satin. I really like the variation. I also like the fact that they have a dark brown color, you know, so it is a palette you can use as well for an everyday makeup look, but as well for a night out makeup, because you can create like a very beautiful smoky eye by using this dark eyeshadow, which is very great. So definitely you can create many different makeup looks, and I find this palette to be very appropriate for someone that maybe it's starting out with makeup, or maybe for someone that loves you know, to create more natural makeup looks. It's a very beautiful palette. So now let's just swatch the shades. Oh, and by the way, it also comes with this plastic sheet and it has the names of the shadows. So okay, the first color, it's called Vivacity. So this one seems to be like a very dark, somehow bronzy shade. It's so pigmented, very beautiful. I really like this shade. The next one, it's called Bold, and it's this one, and it is again a metallic, somehow I don't know, pink mauvey color. It's this one, again a very beautiful shade. I really like that. The next one, it's called Distinct, and this one, it's what kind of shade is that? It seems to be again like a bronzy, almost bronzy color. Again, very beautiful and super pigmented as well. I really like that. Then the next color we have, it is a dark gold shade. It's this one. I love gold shades. Look how beautiful that is. Amazing. It seems to be like a appropriate shadow that you can also wear by itself without combining it, you know, with other shades to maybe create a monochromatic makeup look, or you know, like a super bold makeup. This shade, it's called Chutzpah. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. This is how it's written, but correct me if I am wrong. Okay, now moving on, we have this beautiful light gold shade, which is called Zealous. Oh, that is so pretty. It's this one from here. So beautiful, very, very beautiful indeed. The next one, it's called Fearless. Again, a somehow gold shade, almost gold shade. So pretty, very, very nice. So it is indeed a gold shade. So this one, it's more of an orange, maybe like a dark orange gold shade. This one, it's a light gold shade, and this is maybe a gold, like pure gold shade, you might say, something like that. Okay, now we move to the dark brown shade, which is called Empower. So let's just check that again. Very pigmented, just look at that. Very, very beautiful. I do like a nice brown shade. Now moving on, we have Honor, and it is a slight lighter brown color. So pretty. I really like that. The next one, it's called Muse. A very beautiful color, which it can be as well used for a day as well for a night makeup look. So beautiful. I like these colors. The next one, it's called Poise, and it is this one. This one seems to be like an appropriate shade to use as a transition color. So nice. I do hope you can see that on camera. I do like this color. So the next one, it's called Assured. Again, a beautiful nude color. This can be used as a base, maybe. It's super light, you can barely see it, but it is there, trust me. And the last one, it's called Spirit, and it is like this almost white color. It's something like in between of it, white and beige, super light beige shade. So this is the one. You can barely see it. Okay, so here are the shade from the first row. I like every one of them. They're pretty and very pigmented. And then we have here the second row of the shades. Okay guys, so I do hope you got like a feeling of how the colors look like, and now I will just move to the makeup look. So now on my eyelids I will be using this concealer from MAC Cosmetics, and to apply this I'm using the concealer brush from Real Techniques. It is like my favorite concealer brush. I don't know, it just applies the concealer so precisely and so beautiful, and the bristles are very soft. I really like using this concealer brush when I want to prime my eyelids. It's the only concealer brush that I use to do that. Now I will set the concealer by using from the Illamasqua eyeshadow palette the shade called Spirit, and I'll apply it with a fluffy eyeshadow brush from Zoeva in the number 228, and I'll apply that all over my eyelid and up to my brow bone. Now using a crease brush, I will take the shade Poise and apply it into my crease. Now using a flat brush, I will take the Muse shade and I will apply it on the outer part of my eyelid, and I am creating a V shape. Now on top of that, I will be taking the Vivacity shade and I'll just apply it with my finger first, and then just to make the color pop, I will be using a flat eyeshadow brush. And don't worry if it's messy, because I will be using some makeup remover to make a very sharp line. Well, from what I can see till now, I don't have like a crazy fallout on the shadows that I'm using. I don't know if you can see it. I do have just a little bit here, but it is like a very crazy situation going on. But overall, they seem to be super pigmented, as I said, very easy to work with. I must say I'm very impressed until now with this palette. It's definitely a very good quality. Now with another clean flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm having this one by Zoeva in the number 234, I will take this beautiful light gold shade Zealous and apply it here on the other part of my eyelid. And here in the middle I am blending the two colors together so that aren't any harsh lines. Okay, so now taking any flat brush of your choice, you want to make sure to blend like this edge right here, and I am using circular motions to do that. And you kind of want to buff the color up to your brow. Okay, so now I'll just take a normal makeup remover and some cotton pads, and as I said, I will be having like a very sharp line of this eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'll just go off camera and complete my complexion, and I will be right back. And I'm back. And now for the lower lashes, I will be using the shade Bold, and I'll apply it with a pencil brush. And right next to it, mostly here on the inner part of the lower lashes, I will take the beautiful light gold shade, and that will open up your eyes and make everything very beautiful. Okay, and now for mascara, I'll be using the full fat lashes from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'll apply it on the upper and lower lashes, but you can also use some false lashes if you want. Okay, so we are almost done. The next step will be to prime my lips, and I will use this lip balm from Honest Beauty. And firstly, I will line my lips, and I will be using this lip liner from Maybelline, and this one, it's called Dusty Rose. And now for lipstick, I will be using this beautiful nude lipstick as well from Illamasqua. The price and everything on this lipstick I will be having down below. So it is in the shade Vela, and it is a beautiful nude color. Such a pretty color. I really like this one. And now to finish off this look, I will be applying some highlighter here on the Cupid's bow, and I'm taking this one from Morphe in Spark. And this is the final result using this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Illamasqua. I do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and review. Let me know in the comments below what you think of today's makeup, and of course your thoughts about this video. I really like this palette, and I'm very happy that I've got it. It is definitely a palette that I will be using more often on my channel. I do hope you stick around and see a different makeup looks that I will be creating. And of course, before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!
Mm-hmm.